Hey guys, JK Ronya here, back for another video, and I've already made too many, so yeah, I'm with some people, some from Chainsaw Man and some from one from Jujutsu Kaisen. Bye bye, Yuji. I'm gonna ask these guys to say something to the camera. This may take a while. Okay, may take a while. I don't really even know what's going on. It's okay, my swift kick will take me there. As you can see, I'm with Denji, I'm with Power, Makima, and Himeno. Aki left the game. Gonna ask for my ult. Okay. I still think Denji was right when he said Fiend Devil Hunter's gotta be breaking some kind of rule. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, we got Power and Himeno. Oh, Makima's here. I do not know if that looks like Power, but it's nice. Anyway, these guys get a shout out, really, because, you know, even though they don't know this, yeah, they get a shout out. I don't even know what we're supposed to be doing. Okay. She wasn't kidding. Okay, where's the pie button on this thing? Okay, I'm just gonna say pie. What is the 30? What is the 34th digit of pi? Don't even know what's going on with this thing. I was wrong. Bro, Power is abusing the Hayanera Sukuna. I want waffles. Wait, who is that? Oh, it's just Yuji. Yes, I want waffle. I don't really eat waffles, but I might try some waffles. Red or black? I'll take red. I'll have red. So, what is the waffle? Thank you. Okay. Okay, make both. Put your eye patch back on. Was that really necessary? But at least I have some pancakes. How about blue? Ah! Ah! I was about to get myself a kill. Oh, Yuji will curse that thing. Oh, Yuji will curse hands. That's nice. How about blue or better? Pink. Make Yuji a pancake. And who's this Yuji Itadori that's joined our game? And what's this thing in my notebook? That is how she looks. Are you kidding me right now? You know you can't touch me. You know you can't touch you know you're. Okay, let's make this interesting. Let's do a free-for-all. Go. She was right, but I'm not backing down. Oh, shoot. It doesn't matter, I'll block it. Try me now. Who is this fake Deku? Who's shaking? Oh wait, those are in fighting stance. Help me! I was burned to a crisp, just like Choso. Run! I really thought I was gonna survive, but it looks like I have different plans. Deku? Okay, how many people are joining this game? Shield, bro. Bro, Deku! Deku! Deku, power! Stop it! Okay then. See you guys soon. Bye.